Hi, I'm Rachel Yatuzis, and I'm going to teach you how to clean nicotine stains. They can happen anywhere if they're on your walls of your house. Don't smoke in your house. Indoor air pollution is a big deal. It gives kids ear infections. There's lots of other reasons not to. Or if you move maybe into a new house and the previous owners were smokers, you want to get rid of the stains on the walls, especially if they're white walls. Man, I know some horrible stories about back in the 50s and people smoking in their house and they'd have to repaint their walls every spring. If this is an issue you're going to have to deal with, just use vinegar and water to spray down the walls and wipe them. The same goes with your clothes. You want to pre-treat clothing that may smell like smoke or have nicotine stains on it with vinegar and water. The vinegar and water is going to take care of the stain and the smell. Spray the vinegar and water on the stain. If there's a really dark stain, you may want to try some laundry, stain remover. Just do whatever you can. Douse it with the vinegar and water with the stain remover. Throw it in the washing machine. When you put it in the washing machine, put about a cup of vinegar in there with it. This is really, really going to get rid of the smells. And if you have, the nicotine stains on the walls, use vinegar and water to clean the entire house, and it should get rid of the smell. Vinegar is excellent for getting rid of smells and stains. I'm Rachel Yatuzis, and that is how you get rid of nicotine stains.